Yemi, Andrew, and engineer Sam Temple from Nec-computers is in the studio with us this morning. Sir, good morning to you.
A very good morning to you, Mr. Andrew. Thank you, Nigerians. Thank you, Potako people, and everybody listening right now. This is Nec-computers coming your way once more.
All right, so every day, Monday, by this time, Nec-computers, you hear the voice of Engineer Temple, and he's singing this particular song, the reason why you should send your children, your ward, your friends, your family, cousins, uncles, anyone that needs a knowledge, especially in this computer age, to Nec-computers. So, for those who perhaps haven't caught up with the trend, I'll just let him introduce what Nec-computers is all about again.
Okay, so Nec-computers is basically computer training centers. That's what we do. We train people on different aspects of computers, ranging from the basic aspect of the computers that everybody know to the intermediate aspect of computer to the advanced aspect of computers. What I mean by advanced aspect of computers, it means the computer related to your discipline. So the advanced is one that related to your discipline. So Nec-computer training cut across industries and education curriculum. So if you are working in engineering firm, construction firm, accounting firm, science, mathematics and engineering, any other discipline, health, law, and any aspect of the economy, Nec-computer training will do you a lot of good. We have trained people from different areas of discipline. We have trained organization, youth bodies, and we are still doing and we can do very many more. And we are trained are divided into 7 different departments. The first department we have in Nec-computers is the computer design department. That department we have AutoCAD, ArchiCAD, Revit Architecture, Inventor, SolidWorks, StarPro, Orion, and Civil 3D. The second department we have in Nec-computers is the networking department where we train people on network M plus CCN, CCNP, CCTV installation training, computer hardware and software maintenance and repair, cyber security. The third department we have in Nec-computers is the desktop operation and graphic design department. Here we train people on basic computers, Microsoft Office Suite, CorelDRAW, Illustrator, Secretarial Studies, Photoshop, Internet. And the fourth department is the project management department. Here we train people on Microsoft Project, Primavera, P6, SAP, Prince2, electrical design, drafting and installation, building design training, quantifications and estimations. Then the fifth department we have in Nec-computers is the programming software department where we call coding. Here we train people on Microsoft Visual Basic, C#, C++, VB.NET, Python, Java, MATLAB, Simulink, and Simscape. We have the programmable logic controller. We have the web development and hosting, Android application development, software development, cloud computing, UI, UX, machine learning, and data structure algorithm. Then we have the sixth department, which is data analysis and accounting department. Here we train people on data analytics and data science, advanced Excel and Access, SPSS and eView, QuickBooks, Sage, P3, Oracle, and digital marketing. The last and not the least department in Nec-computers is the oil and gas software department. Here we train people on PDMS, Aspen HYSYS, process piping, P and I, that is piping and instrument diagram, pipe flow diagram. These are the structure of our training in Nec-computers.
Sounds interesting. I wish that there was enough time to take more. But first, people that would want to call you, let's get the idea. Can we get the numbers of
Yes, you
Nec-computers
can call
first?
us on 080 325 77932. 080 325 77932. Tell us to get in touch with Nec-computers. We are located number 4, Tenrumola Road, Tonimun Plaza in Port Harcourt.
All right, take the address down. You might want to pay them a visit and be there. We have a graduate from Nec-computers with us in the studio. Gentlemen, good morning. What's your name, please?
Good morning. My name is OK Victor Chigazere.
Okay, Victor. So talk to us about your experience. You've been there, and some of the programs that have been mentioned now, the structure of Nec-computers you have experienced. How was it like?
Yeah, I'm so excited to be on the show this morning, and my stay all through as a student in Nec-computer, I was able to acquire the knowledge of AutoCAD, which is a computer-aided design, and during my process, all through my learning section, I was able to learn isometric drawing in AutoCAD and designing of other 3D and 2D diagram, creating precise 2D drawing and 3D models of almost everything you can imagine and encounter. And I'm able to also, create parametric 3D models of mechanical parts, assembles and system, producing 2D technical drawings with proper dimension and tolerance and annotation, and also design, filtration and optimization, that is modifying existing CAD computer aided models based on engineering change or test results. assembly and fitting checking, that is building full assembly of models in CAD to check parts, fit, alignment, and interference. Data management in computer aided design, organizing files and maintaining proper control, just like we have the PLMS and PDMS, and also SolidWorks, ensuring proper file arrangement, and reverse engineering, that is using computer aided tools to recreate 3D models from physical parts or 3D scan data. And the isometric drawing, that is visual representing of a 3D object in 2 dimensions, just like drawing a 3D shape on a flat paper. And all of this I've been able to actualize in my trainings section in all Nec-computers.
I would say from all you've mentioned now, okay, I'm pretty sure I can't do any of them or most of them. So I'm pretty sure you couldn't do that as well until you went to Nec-computers.
Yes,
So what else will you tell us you couldn't do before that you can do now since you joined Nec-computers?
Yes, since I joined Nec-computers, I had this drive and passion to, always design. And when I joined Nec-computers, I've been able to, do the isometric piping drawing, label them, and, make sure everything accurate, do things well, and all of those.
Sounds interesting. And there are many young people like you who are listening now. Is there any advice you have for them?
Yes, if you are looking to enhance your skills in AutoCAD and other software computers, Nec-computer is just the right place for you, and that's it.
Sounds interesting. I'm pretty sure there are many other people at Nec-computers at the moment acquiring this skill. Mr. Temple, who can come? Who is Nec-computer targeted? Is it limited to a certain number or certain type of people?
You can see that in Nec-computers, we work all around. We say our training goes across industries and education curriculum. I told you about somebody last week that was a crew member becoming the supervisor at the end of our training. A student that was struggling in mathematics become a mathematics expert from Nec-computers. You have seen a graduate now that finished university and he was not qualified in a way, but now he's overqualified. In fact, when you say people are engineers, mechanical engineers, this is a qualified engineer that's sitting with you here, because we are able to transform him. See, the university education is programmed well. They teach you the theory and ask you to go to centers to acquire the practical training. This is what we have done. And we are there, but people are not taking advantage of us. So if you are there, come to Nec-computers. Victor here can work in any organizations. People have been calling me that I should bring somebody and send Victor to them. So if you are in that category looking for work, you are disturbing yourself. Come to Nec-computers. We will transform you and you become what you are meant to be. In Nec-computers, if you read engineering, if you read computer science, both practical and serving engineers, or you just finish your jam, you just finish WAEC, you are waiting for UTME. Don't waste the time. Come to Nec-computer and acquire skill. Preparation to go to universities is not about going for summer classes. Come to Nec-computers and acquire the practical applications of what you are going to do. You are going to do math, you are going to do physics, chemistry. What do you? Nec-computers work with the school curriculum. We expose you to that before you come to Nec-computers. So if you are environmental science student, you are a computer science student, you are a management science and business administration student, or you are a finance and budgeting, or you are a corporate organizations, you want to empower people, the quality of an organization is as good as the staff that's working there. Come to Nec-computers, we give them that project management skill that can transform them to what you want them to be. If you are an IT student, I've said it different time on this station. Imagine an IT student going to somewhere to qualify. At the end of the day, you still be looking for a job. Why are you looking for a job as a graduate? Because you don't have what it takes. If you have what it takes, you can employ yourself, or you can also employ others. Come to Nec-computers, we can do that for you. Or if you are an applicant, because you don't have a skill. Come to Nec-computers, will teach you what will make you to become employable. If you have a business, a project, come to Nec-computers. Some person are going to do a project of over #1 million, but don't have enough project management, and the people will just frustrate you and your project will be abandoned. No, come to Nec-computers, acquire the knowledge of project management. Project management is a life management. We teach that in Nec-computers, we simplify everything. So everybody, this is a computer age. You don't have anything to lose. Come to Nec-computers. Our costs are minimal.
Okay.
We intentionally reduce the cost so that everybody can be part of it. So if you are in that category, come to Nec-computers. We have been positioned strategically to make life easy for everybody. And not only that, if you want to build website for your school, for your organizations, for your business, for your church, for your hospitals, or you want to do a special software that is special software for your business. It is home. Come to Nec-Computer, we do all that. Or if you want to do corporate training or you want to do home training, come to that. This is all the day.
Give us your phone numbers now, because
we are located at number 14 Rumola Road, Honeymoon Plaza in Port Harcourt. Number 14 Rumola Road, Honeymoon Plaza in Port Harcourt. Or you visit our website on www.ntisgroup.com. Our phone number is 080-325-77932. 080-325-77932. For the last time, 080-325-77932. We are on WhatsApp, we are on Facebook, we are on YouTube. 080-325-77932. Nec-Computers is the place to be.
Thank you, Mr. Temple, for your time. Have a great day. My name is Ifemi Andrew. Good morning.
You're welcome.